Why does your scanner show the P0974 engine code? What does it mean? P0974 is a diagnostic trouble code for shift solenoid, a control circuit high. This engine code indicates shift solenoid A control circuit high issue in the transmission. This means the car's computer has detected a problem with the electrical circuit controlling shift solenoid. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. What causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Low transmission fluid, faulty shift solenoid, wiring problems, valve body issues, potential ECM or TCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD-II equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. This includes vehicles from Honda, Saturn, Chevrolet, and others. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.